Hi guys, welcome back to Big Basket's channel. So it's officially hot and summer skin struggles are real. So today I'm sharing my go-to summer hacks for that fresh, glowy, glass skin vibe without the meltdown. Super easy, simple things that actually work, especially when it's hot and humid outside and your skin needs all the help it can get. There is an exciting giveaway at the end of the video. Answer the question right and you could win a special hamper. So make sure you watch till the end. And guys, Big Basket is not just about groceries anymore. I needed a quick restock of my beauty essentials and Big Basket delivered in just 10 minutes. So convenient, right? My skin often feels warm, tight or just a little irritated after spending time in the sun. So I immediately go for this quick soothing DIY concoction. I take 2 to 3 spoons of cucumber juice and mix 2 spoons of pure aloe vera gel. इसको मैं अच्छे से stir कर लेती हूँ to form a smooth light gel texture and then मैं इसको अच्छे से अपने पूरे face पे and अपने hands पे apply कर लेती हूँ, basically anywhere that's feeling sun exposed or overheated. Trust me, this DIY instantly calms my skin, reduces redness and feels super refreshing. Cucumber juice is naturally cooling. It helps with puffiness and irritation. Aloe vera gives immense hydration and heals the skin. I keep it for 15 to 20 minutes and wash it with cold water. And my skin feels so calm, radiant and has that soft glass skin glow. Next hack is keeping my jade roller chilled in the fridge overnight and every morning I use it right after applying my serum. The cold touch instantly calms any puffiness, especially around my jawline and eyes. इससे ब्लड सर्कुलेशन भी इम्प्रूव होता है which gives my skin that natural healthy flush. ये lymphatic drainage को भी बूस्ट करता है जिससे फेस एकदम sculpted and lifted लगता है. This step also helps my skincare products absorb deeper, making them work more effectively. It relaxes facial tension and gives me that radiant lit from within glow that lasts all day. Next hack is switching to a gel-based moisturizer that gives lightweight, non-greasy hydration. It's a total game changer. Thick moisturizers and summer heat just don't mix. It gives my skin the hydration it needs without clogging pores or leaving the sticky, greasy layer behind. मेरी स्किन instantly hydrated and refreshed लगती है and the glow, it's real, not oily, just clean, glassy, healthy skin glow. One of the most important parts of my skincare routine, no matter the season, is reapplying SPF, especially in summer. I either use a stick sunscreen or spray sunscreen, so today I'll be using this stick sunscreen. It's quick, clean and you can swipe it right over your skin without messing anything up. अगर मैंने मेकअप भी किया हुआ है ये बहुत ही स्मूथली ग्लाइड्स हो जाता है विदाउट डिस्टर्बिंग द बेस. आई यूज इट ऑन माई फोरहेड, चीक्स, चिन, नेक, क्विक स्वाइप एंड डन. It helps prevent sun damage and keeps your skin oil-free, even-toned and glowing in the long run. Spritzing a chilled face mist midday is one of my favorite summer skin rituals. I use a hydrating mist daily and I always keep it in the fridge for that extra refreshing boost. It helps lock in moisture and keeps my skin looking alive and radiant. And now let's move on to some summer makeup hacks. Let's talk about the real summer makeup base hero, a blurring primer. Summers में makeup base melt हो जाता है, especially जब humidity high होती है. I apply a small amount of blurring primer before any makeup. It instantly smooths out texture. It also helps control sweat and shine and make sure your base lasts longer without melting down. समर टाइम में when it's hot outside, heavy foundation लगाने का तो किसी का भी मन नहीं करता है. So instead I go for a tinted SPF or a light skin tint. It just gives me enough coverage to even out the skin tone, but it's breathable, comfortable and doesn't melt off like foundation. And the best part, you also get a sun protection and a fresh natural look all in one product. Honestly, that's the vibe I love for summer, lightweight, glowy and effortless. Water tints are so viral nowadays and for a good reason. They are super thin, almost like colored water and the pigment is so good. It looks so natural. ये बहुत ही easily blend हो जाता है skin में finger से ही and they don't budge even if you are sweating out all day. If you want that clean girl, fresh makeup look with a glow, then water tints are something that I would recommend. It's a total must have in every summer makeup kit. Now here is a trick I swear by when my T-zone looks oily, greasy. First I use a blotting sheet to soak up any excess oil. इस तरीके से हल्के हाथों से मैं डैप कर लेती हूँ, इससे excess oil सारे remove हो जाते हैं without disturbing the makeup. Then I take my compact powder with SPF protection and lightly dab it on with a puff just on the T-zone or anywhere I feel little shiny. It instantly mattifies my skin, gives sun protection and adds a soft blur effect that looks like a real life filter. It's my absolute go-to for a quick touch-ups on the go. Here is a reminder to drink your water because hydration is not just about skincare, it starts from within. I like to keep this kind of large bottle with me all day and trust me, it's super useful. So yeah guys, those were my easy go-to summer skincare and makeup hacks. Just simple things that actually keeps my skin glowing and fresh even in this heat. Let me know in the comments which hack you are going to try first. And now as promised, here is the giveaway question. What do I keep in the fridge to depuff my skin in the morning? Answer it right in the comments and you could win a surprise goodie from Big Basket. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, comment and subscribe to Big Basket's channel. I will see you guys next time. Bye.